Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by cosine y squared. Next, we know that 1 over cosine y, that is about secant of y squared. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to tan y. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of y squared dy. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about tan y. So, the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.